Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hi, sir. This is Shruti.
Mm.
Actually, in the code, you told like only H1 is hiding, right?
H1
H2
name.
display, but
Mm.
you wrote in the H2 class,
Hide
you
H1
wrote like
class. Hide
hide,
H2.
hide H2 display.
For this
Have to
is
write the same thing?
for this H1 tag
Hmm.
using visibility hidden property. For this H2 tag
Okay,
using visibility display property.
okay. But the
So both
same syntax will be the same?
syntax is same, but classes
Okay,
are different.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Mm. Okay, second heading. Class 1 is visibility. Visi Visibility hidden and display none property. Okay, visibility property. So here see first head one h1 tag, and for second h2 tag we use visibility property, and second h2 element, and h2 second element. So here for this h1 element using visibility property, so the element take up the same space as before. If you remove this class, it will display, and h2 element also same. If you remove this class, it will display, but display properties not take up the space, but visibility property take the space as before. Okay, it still still take up the space as before. It will affect the layout. If you use visibility property, affect the layout, but element is will be hidden and affect the layout. You are confusing with these two h1 and h2 elements. Paragraph, sample text, class is p1, p2, and next div element, okay, example text, class equal to div1, class name div1, and visibility property applying for paragraph 2. Okay, two paragraphs and one div element. So first for second paragraph applying visibility property, and for div element applying visibility and display none property. So the paragraph still take up the same space if you apply visibility property, and display properties not take up the space. Okay, here displaying the space. Okay, for d1 element not displaying the space. Okay, paragraph to displaying space, and first paragraph already displaying. The main difference between visibility property and display property: visibility property hides an element but still affect the layout, and display property hides an element but it will not take up the same space as before. If you want to hide any element in your document, use visibility or display property to hide or display. Here we have for visibility property: collapse, hidden, inherit, initial, and visible properties. Uh, 5 values is there for visibility property. You can set any one. If you use hidden value, the value will be hide. If you use visibility property, okay, visible value, the element is displayed. Visibility colon visible, and display none, and here number of values is there: display inline, inline block, inline flex, grid, table. So all are is there, but display block, if you use display block value, if you set display block, the paragraph or div element are displayed. Display none property hides an element. To display the element, apply display block. And next, fixed position elements. Fixed position elements. Using fixed position element allow you to position an element. You can arrange the position of particular element. The position is fixed. Allow you to position an element that position is fixed. You can arrange the position for an element. Here we have uh, one div element and one paragraph. P1 and div. You can remove this. Write CSS properties like fixed position, position is fixed value, and next top 50 pixel, top ln 50 pixel, and right ln right 60 pixel, and background color is brown. To run this example, fixed position, here paragraph is, here is the paragraph. Okay, top ln is 50 pixel and right 60 pixel, and the background color is brown color, and position is fixed. So this will not change that position. So we can arrange the position like a top. You can increase top position, top value, and right value. Okay, we can move the element using right and top. And next, relative and absolute position. Absolute position related to the nearest positioned element. First to paragraph and development. For this paragraph 1, position relative, position relative, and width for paragraph 300 pixel, and height 200 pixel, and background color border 1 pixel, solid, and blue color border. And for second element div, use class name div1, same position absolute, position absolute, that is relative position, and this is absolute position. And top 50 pixel, and right 60 pixel, and height 300 pixel, and width 200 pixel, and border 2 pixel, solid, and red color border. Absolute.html. Run this example. See here, this is sample text, example text, paragraph, and development. So this is position absolute position in the top and right 50 pixel and 60 pixel, and div height 300 pixel and width 200 pixel and border. And this is the relative position. Relative position is always normal, and absolute position, and here for absolute position dual paragraph height and width and border and background color. So this is the relative and absolute positions. And next, float property. Float property is used to arrange the horizontally elements. Elements can be floated by left or right. Float not used to up or down. Suppose one paragraph using float property. If you want to display this paragraph in right side, use float property right. So this paragraph will display in right side. Total all paragraphs are applying here. Okay, hash symbol my paragraph. Okay, this paragraph is displayed here. Okay, in right side, align to right align. So using float property, we can arrange the elements in left side or right side. And next, overflow property. Overflow property specifies if content overflows an elements box. Suppose you want to display scroll for any div, use overflow property and scroll value overflow scroll property is used to get scroll for div element or paragraph. Remove all these classes and remove paragraph also. Here we can set some text in div. Okay, this is the our text in div. Using overflow property, we need to arrange the scrolls for div. use class name div1, div element width is 100 pixels, and next height also 100 pixel, and next overflow scroll, and border 2 pixel solid and blue, and background color light gray. So this will apply the scrolls for this div element. Save this, run this example. So see this, in div element we have some content. For this content we are applying scrolls using overflow property and scroll. Okay, so this is the scrolls. So this is used for better control of the layout. Okay, better control of layout. So use this scrolls for save the space in document. And next, image sprites. Image sprites property. Image sprites is a collection of images put into a single image. Suppose if we have one web application and a number of images, it will take the long time to load and generates multiple server requests. To reduce the number of server requests and to save the bandwidth, to use image sprites to load the image. Image sprite is a collection of images. Collection of images using image sprites reduce the number of server requests. The image sprites are used to implement navigation list or to display any logos in the web document. We can use image sprites to display some logos or navigation list. This is used for background image sprites. Using image sprite example, already one example is there. CSS examples, image sprite example is there. So this is the image sprite. So these are the collection of images into a single image. So display all the images using image sprite property. You can separate the image based on your requirement. Using image sprites, you can implement navigation list. So when you click on this, it will goes to Firefox, it will goes to Chrome, then Explorer, Opera, and Safari. So using image sprites, you can display logos like this. Okay, this is the total single image, but displaying in different areas. For this, we need to write some CSS properties, like another list is there. Okay, another list. For another list, class equal to menu class name and list items. Okay, Firefox, Chrome, Explorer, Opera, and Safari. The image contains all these logos. I want to display all these logos for these list items. So using CSS, first UL with the class name menu, list style type none. So there is no list style type like disk or square. Okay, and second class is UL another list with the class name menu in LI. Okay, order list item for this list item, padding 5 pixel, font size 16, and font family Arial and sans serif. And next order list with the class name menu in another list LI element. In LI element there is a anchor tag. Okay, for this anchor tag, height to 50 pixel, inline height to 50 pixel, display inline block. Inline block are display line by line, and padding left to 60 pixel, and color and background mysprite.png. So image name mysprite.png. To display separate links for separate images, use this another list with class name menu. In another list, li with class name Firefox, li with class name Firefox, and anchor tag. Background position is 00. In 00 position, there is a Firefox logo. And next, for Chrome, in another list with class name menu li with class name Chrome, anchor tag 0 and minus 100 pixel. Minus 100 pixel position, Chrome logo is there. And for IE and Safari and Opera also same. series anchor tag. For anchor tag, height 50 pixel, inline height 50 pixel, line height, display inline block. Okay, and next padding left 60 pixel, background only loading only single image but applying for different links. Background position is 00. In 00 position, Firefox. For Chrome applying 0 minus 100. Okay, if you can move this image based on changing the value here. Okay, you want to display Chrome for IE, you can set minus 200. Okay, so like this you can change the value, background position, and for IE and Opera Safari also same. Okay, using sprites you can upload different images for in different areas, different links also. The main usage is it reduce the server request and the burden on server. The website is loaded fastly if you use image sprites. And pseudo classes. Pseudo classes means apply the styles based on the specified part of an element. Apply the different styles for specified parts of an element. There is a colon, hover, and double colon, first line, and p colon, last line. So this a colon hover apply whenever mouse hover on any anchor tag, and next p colon colon first line style will apply for first line of the paragraph, and this last line CSS property apply for last line paragraph last line. Pseudo classes combined with the CSS classes. The pseudo elements are used to style specified parts of an element. And example is there is one anchor tag. Okay, my link and href equal to some any empty path. First time applying text color is red color. When our mouse hover on particular link element, okay, the text color will change to color like brown or yellow, so different colors. So pseudo classes, so the link is displaying red color when my mouse hover on particular link, the style is changed to the text color is changed to yellow color. Okay, these are the pseudo classes. These are called pseudo classes, and sometimes one paragraph is there. If you want to apply first line different style in paragraph, just this is the paragraph text. Okay, these are all paragraph text. Okay, this is paragraph text and ID my paragraph. And I want to apply different color for first line of the paragraph. Okay, just to use paragraph : first line uh, color blue. Okay, see this paragraph applied for first line using pseudo element, pseudo class, different style. Okay, pseudo class, first line, and color is blue. So first line is displaying different style. Suppose there is a uh, span element or anything in paragraph, span element or any suppose sample element, any element, two span elements is there in span. Paragraph, in paragraph some content is there, in content span elements also is there. I want to select particular span, first span or last span. Okay, so here one more span also is there. I want to apply first span element or last span element, different styles. So write paragraph span first child. First child means apply first span different color. Color is like okay, orange color. Here two spans. Okay, span is wrong here. So see this, applied only first span. Okay, and last span is second span and last span are in same style, but first span is different color. Okay, first line is different color based on first line style, and next first child. This is the this span element is first child. So apply a different color and apply last child. You can apply last child span last child color. Gray color. Okay, so last child also applied gray color. So these are called pseudo classes. You can apply the different parts of of an element, different styles. Pseudo elements are used to apply the different styles for the specified parts of an element. And these are the today concepts.